Nicole, and this is our take and make video for July. If you've picked up the packet at the main library or our branch, you will have all of the supplies that you need to make felt ornaments. We're going to be doing two different animal felt ornaments that tie into our summer reading program theme, and one of those is a fox and the other one is a bird. So you will find in your packet, we'll start with the fox first. You'll have some orange felt and some white felt, along with patterns that allow you to cut out the fox's head and then the white patches for his face. You'll need to do two of each to cut out two head pieces and two cheek pieces, face pieces. And once you've cut those out, it's a good idea. I mean, really, you can use any kind of scissors as long as they're sharp. I used my fabric scissors. It just made cutting the felt a lot easier. And once you have all of your pieces cut out, I started with making the face. I used hot glue. I found that worked the best for me. If you don't have hot glue, you could use like a tacky glue or some other kind of craft glue as well, and that would work just fine. To make the face, you just take one of your orange face pieces, head pieces, and glue the two white patches on. In your packet, you will also have a little black pom-pom that you can glue on for his nose, and then two black beads that you can glue on the white portion for his eyes. And once you've assembled the face, you'll also have a piece of yarn that you can attach that you can use to hang the ornament once you're done. So to attach that, all you do is just loop it and make sure that the ends will be inside, and you can just hot glue those or glue those down, and the ends will be covered up once you glue the two face pieces together. So now that you've completed the face, you can take the other blank piece of orange felt, the orange that you cut out for the back of the head, so to speak, and I just traced a thin line of glue around, but make sure you leave a little pocket there that you can put the polyfill in. So once you've outlined some glue there, glue the face onto the back, making sure that the ends of your yarn are tucked in. And then with the little slit that you still have there, stuff a little bit of polyfill in just to give it some dimension, and then just put a small line of glue to secure the face so the polyfill won't fall out. And there you have the fox. And then it's pretty similar with our bird. You'll have patterns for the bird's body. You'll need to cut two of those out of the tan felt. And then there's a pattern for the bird's belly, and you'll cut that out of the maroon felt. And then one wing will be needed for the bird, and you'll cut that out of the dark brown. So once again, once you have all of those pieces cut out, I assembled the bird's face and body first. So I glued down the belly, I glued the wing on top of that, and I just used one of the black bead eyes for the bird's eye. And I just cut off of the orange that I used for the fox. I just cut a small little triangle out of that to use for the bird's beak. And then, you know, once again, do the same thing with the yarn to make a hanger. and then just do a small line of glue on the blank tan piece of felt, leaving a little pocket there to put the polyfill in, put the bird's body on top, stuff the polyfill, and then glue your hole so then you have your bird ornament. A couple things that I found helpful. I like to trace my patterns onto my felt using a permanent marker. You can do that, or if you have, like little sewing pins, you can pin the pattern to your felt and cut around it that way. That's really up to you. Also, I have a pair of crafting tweezers that I used for the small bead eyes. It just helped me when I was placing the eyes onto the felt. But other than that, it's just really fast and easy. If you like these and you have felt at home and want to do some other colors or designs, you'll still have the patterns to do that. But this is our July take and make. I hope you've enjoyed it, and thanks for watching and participating. Bye.